How to delete a Discord server on mobile. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll be showing you the ways to delete a Discord server. So to delete a Discord server, first of all, check your internet connection and also update your application. If you've not updated, go to your Google Play Store, and after that on the search box type in Discord. If you see update instead of open, which indicates the app needs to be updated. After you're done updating your application, click the open button and then log in into your Discord account. Once logged into your Discord account, it's going to take you to the home page. Right over here, tap the try bar icon from the top left hand side, and after that you'll be able to see multiple tools or icon in the left hand side bar. So from there you need to go ahead and select the server, and once you select a particular server that you wish to delete it, you'll be able to see a half menu popped on your screen. So all you have to do is just go ahead and tap the three dot icon next to it, and you'll need to scroll down right to the bottom, and after that you'll need to scroll down and go to edit server profile. Once you've done that wait so after you open up your server, it's gonna here you'll be able to see overview. All you have to do is tap the button, and as soon as you do that, scroll down right to the bottom, you'll be able to find the button as remove server or delete server. So press on it, and once you do that, your server will be deleted. So in this way you can delete a Discord server. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.